So guys, this car I'm printing, I tried it before this one and it just didn't work properly. So I printed the wheel by itself, which is right here, and that worked fine. So I thought go back to this, but I put raft there because somebody said on the comments that they had to print individually. Well, the raft is working at the moment. We'll see if it completes later. It's been about 8 hours now, guys, and this is still a lot to go. So we'll see how it goes. At the moment, it's looking good. I hope I can take the raft off this, you know. Almost finished, guys. This is the last bit. Yes, twice I've done this one now, and it's printing weird. I don't really understand what's happening here. Funny patterns are happening there. So I'm gonna have to print these wheels separately. It's the only way around this one. So guys, after many hours indeed, I've just got to do this. Just about. Just that much. That's all it does, right? Oh, it did it by itself then. Okay, so I put a spacer there, I put a spacer there, I took it off, I put a spacer between there, sand it down, sand this down, sand this down, sand this down, all kinds of things. So this is the best it's the best I've done. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the wheels on. Okay, I just roughly put the wheels on it. Let's see if it works at all. Nope. It was trying to work. Okay. Just take it off there and see if it works by itself. Looks like that, all right. Well, guys, it didn't really work pushing along, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to put another spring on, see if it's a bit stronger spring, and try again. Well guys, I'm so happy that this is now finally working. I did put a new spring in there. This one, the first spring, is not really good, but the gentleman did design version 2 of it, so I used that. It's actually got enough power to push it along. I also thought the spacing between there was not enough for me anyway, so I glued one side like that's, leaving a little bit of gap there. I'll just zoom it in for you. See a bit of gap there, and also a bit of gap on that side there, just there, so that made it wider here. And so I'm just gonna show you how does it work. Wow, it's got power. Let me put it out somewhere where we can actually see it working really good. Slipping, wheels are slipping. Works fine. Wheels are slipping. I put some string around it. My initial thoughts are it's not going to work, but I got to try it. I just super glued the ends there. See after that, I'm going to try it again. If not, back to the drawing board. Okay guys, I'm trying with these wheels, taking a top view here. Oh yeah, oh my gosh, that works beautifully. Did you see that? It didn't slide whatsoever. I'm loving this. Watch this again. Here we go. It goes good. Subscribe, thumbs up, leave a comment. Thank you for watching. I thoroughly enjoyed this project. I think it's really good. It did frustrate me first because I just couldn't get it working.